If you're looking for the ultimate all-in-one makeup kit that checks all the boxes for quality, variety, convenience, and affordability, let me introduce you to a total beauty powerhouse, the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Set, new edition. This is not your average makeup palette. This is a full-face solution designed to meet the needs of makeup lovers of all levels, from beginners learning the ropes to seasoned pros who want a reliable travel companion. What makes this kit so impressive is not just the number of products inside, but how thoughtfully it's all put together. You're getting an astonishing 72 highly pigmented eyeshadows, offering a wide range of finishes including mattes, shimmers, satins, and even metallics. This color variety makes it easy to go from soft, everyday natural looks to bold, dramatic evening glam. Whether you love warm tones, cool tones, or experimenting with bold colors, there's a shade in here for you. And the best part? The pigmentation doesn't disappoint. The shadows are smooth, buildable, and easy to blend, with minimal fallout, making them suitable even for beginners still practicing their blending skills. Now, let's talk about the 18 lip products, which include a mix of lip glosses and creamy lipsticks in universally flattering shades. From soft nudes and pinks